How to withdraw Coinmarketcap diamonds step-by-step tutorial. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll guide you through how to withdraw Coinmarketcap diamonds and use them for rewards. Let's dive right in. First step is to open the Coinmarketcap application. First, open the CoinMarket app on your phone. Once inside, tap on markers from the bottom left corner to view the market cap of various coins. Second step is to set up your portfolio. Tap on Portfolio from the bottom bar, and then tap Create a new portfolio. Enter a name for your wallet and connect it by adding your wallet address manually or connecting your Binance account directly. Step 3 is to add a transaction. Once your wallet is set up, go into the portfolio you just created, tap and Add Transaction. Choose the coin you want to track transfer, and then enter the amount and tap Add Transaction to save it. Your transaction will now appear in your portfolio's transaction history. 4 is to redeem your diamonds. Tap on the diamond icon on the top right corner of the app and browse available rewards that can be redeemed with your diamonds. Select the reward you want to follow the prompts to complete the redemption process. Coinmarketcap diamonds can be withdrawn as an actual money, so you can use them to claim exclusive rewards within the app. Thank you for watching. If you find this tutorial help you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides. See you into the next one.